everyone, this is me Jessa and here's another video and another review for you all. So last week, bumili ako ng Huawei Watch 4 na smartwatch and it comes with a stainless steel thermos and you can either choose between umbrella and stainless steel thermos for their freebie and of course the Huawei Watch Fit 4. And it comes with the stainless steel thermos. Ito yung pinili ko kasi I'm working in a BPO company and really I need a bottle or like a thermos na handy lang siya, na hindi siya gaanong mabigat and pwede siyang dalhin kahit sa small bag ko lang. So I choose this freebie kasi it's nice. Here is the Huawei Watch Fit 4 and pinili ko yung white color or off-white na color and it comes with 3 different colors. It's black, white, gray, and purple as well. Nabili ko yung Huawei Smartwatch Fit 4 sa halagang 6,499. Again, it's 6,499. And automatically, nalalak siya kapag hindi mo siya suot. So, there's an option sa mismong app and you can change it. Siyempre, may health monitoring, HR, SpO2, sleep, stress, HRV, mood insights, weight, blood pressure, and even yung sleep analysis, meron din siya. And of course, pulse, breathing exercises, and workouts. At na-amaze ako doon sa emotional wellness or like monitoring kasi talagang nagpa-pop up talaga siya kapag bad mood ka. So it helps you to relax and monitor mo yung mood mo. Meron din siyang option for cycle management and yes, it of course meron din calculator and meron din Gcash, yes, and meron din compass. Magagamit mo din syempre yung feature na flashlight sa smartwatch. Meron ding alarm, stopwatch, timer na option. And yes, may feature din na songs and shutter, camera shutter na magagamit mo doon. At may option din siya for map, global map. It has a calendar and yung K-Cal na monitoring and blood pressure and workouts. And you can also monitor the weather kung saan ka nakalocate. And that's all for my video today. I hope I was able to make you decide whether it's worth it to buy Huawei Watch Fit 4 and see you in the next video. Bye bye!